the R&D decisions in farms. Unfortunately, in India, even large private farms don't spend enough money on R&D. In R&D decisions need to be influenced by labor. Why? Otherwise, technological innovations will be labor-saving kind. So job situation will get worse. And of course, with artificial intelligence, it will be even worse. There's a new book by Asimoglu and Johnson called Power and Progress, that this will be very important in the new era of artificial intelligence, that labor has a voice in the which way R&D goes. Because otherwise, if you don't control it, if labor does not have any voice, it will go in general into reducing the role of labor. So it will be labor saving. Whereas it is possible, this book by Asimoglu and Johnson do talk about forms in which if time is not too late, we can still influence. If labor gets a voice, it will get influence the nature of innovations in the artificial intelligence. So what this means, that we have to worry not just about, when we say dynamism of capitalism, we have to worry not merely about the rate of innovation, we have to worry about the pattern of innovation. And that's where labor can play an important role. And the current focus is on the rate, where it's also important to shape the pattern of innovations. Already in strike action in the United States, unions are demanding a greater role in regulating artificial intelligence. Some of you may have read in the newspapers that Hollywood, there was a strike action, and Detroit, the United Auto Workers Union, just won a strike demand. And in both, who will regulate AI was an important issue.